Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can edit only one slide or card in your presentations on Gamma AI, or for example ask the artificial intelligence to edit only one slide for you here on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to presentation on Gamma AI. Let me go with that presentation here. Then choose the slide or card you would like to edit here on that overview to the left, or browse through presentation, navigate to the slide. And each slide or card has these options in the top left, and you will see this option here to the right, edit with agent. If you click into it, it will open up that prompt menu here. So here you can enter your prompt to ask the artificial intelligence and the presentation builder here on Gamma AI to add these changes or to edit your card or slide based on your prompt. Like for example, I don't know, rewrite this text or this text block, or replace the image or something like that. You will also see these options below. Like for example, you can ask the artificial intelligence to try a completely new layout for that card, or to improve the writing, to fix the grammar, to translate, to make the text longer, to add an image, make it more visual. So if I, for example, select improve writing for the sake of this tutorial, let us take a look what is going to happen next. You will see the editing process here to the right by the artificial intelligence, so give it a few moments. Also here the loading circle on the bottom right, you can use that. There you go. So we will see these changes live. And you can choose, for example, between this variation and that one. Here to the right, you will see the modified version and also the original. So I'm going to select the modified one. Let me also leave or like this as a good suggestion. And that's it, to leave some feedback, for example. And yeah, or you can go with the original one. Which one you go with is totally up to you guys. And that's how you do it. To close that communication panel with the artificial intelligence, click into X here, or clear the conversation, or give further instructions at the bottom. That's how it works, guys. That's how you edit only one slide or card on Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.